In this demonstration, I'm going to use the same file to talk a little bit about more advanced analysis. Selecting that file and creating a 2D plot, let's click PCA, select all, then PCA, and then let's hit scatter, and you see that we're now actually plotting PC0 against PC1. You can see that this is a plot that's a little bit unusual. If you hit PC2 or PC3, each time hitting redraw, you'll see that you can show all the different possible relationships between these parameters. If we now go back and click on forward by side scatter and create a gate, we'll gate our lymphocyte population again. It comes up as purple, and now we'll create another 2D plot, click on scatter, and let's plot the principal components again. So you see that the lymphocytes are clearly in the right two populations, but there's a lot more things that we can do. Let's make another 2D plot, and this time let's click on CD3 and CD19, and now you can see how our lymphocyte population stands out amongst all the rest of the cells. Now you can go in and identify your CD3 positive cells. Now they're bright pink, and you can see where they drop in on all the other plots. Well, wouldn't it be interesting to go back and look at what PC0 versus PC2? And now you see how the lymphocytes separate out, the CD3 cells separate out into multiple populations, which is not surprising. So let's go in and take our B cells and make them yellowy orange color, and we'll see where they fall. And as we pull up different PCA plots, we can see where those cells fall. Now we can go in and click on our CD3 positive cells and make another gate, and this time we'll simply draw a scatter gate, but in fact we'll just look at a one parameter. We'll put our CD3s, and you can see the CD3 positive cells now in a single parameter. We could look at the CD8s, and it's very much smaller, so if we put the cursor on 0, draw a box, it'll rescale. And if we do the reverse of that, draw the box back to 0, it'll rescale it again. There's our CD4s and our CD45 and our side scatter. CD19, and at any time we can click on a second parameter, create a plot, a scatter plot, and if there's nothing there, just simply put the cursor in the middle and drag it down to the 0, and it'll rescale. You'll notice if you hold the mouse with the right button on the graph, you can move the graph around within the axis space.